Hi everybody, I made vegetable spring rolls. No meat, just vegetables, and so much flavor. Let me show you how I made them. So first I got some carrots and some cabbage. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut everything up into small pieces. So first I started cutting them really thin, and then I cut them just smaller pieces. Now you can get creative if you want to add some celery and maybe some bean sprouts. That would be okay. Water chestnuts. You can go ahead and just add extra vegetables if you want. I'm just going to use what I had in my refrigerator. One time I made these and I added some snap peas. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 2 cups of my cabbage and 1 cup of chopped carrots. Now this is not an option. You have to use green onion in this recipe. It really gives a really good flavor. Okay, I had 2 giant green onions, but if you have small green onions, use about 3 or 4 of them. It gives a ton of flavor. Just chop them up really, really small. So now I have a wok. You can use a regular frying pan if you want. I added a little bit of vegetable oil, and now I'm going to add all my vegetables and my onion, and I'm literally going to cook this just 3 minutes and just periodically toss them around. It only takes 3 minutes, and then your carrots are still going to have a slight crunch. And then I'm going to add some soy sauce and some sesame oil. And literally, that is all I did. Just a pinch of salt and pepper, and these come out with so much flavor. They come out really, really good. Okay, so now after the 3 minutes, I'm going to put everything that's inside my wok into a bowl, and I'm going to let everything cool off for about 5 minutes. So now my filling is cooled off. I have my wrappers and just a little bit of water in a bowl. Now I'm just going to start building my spring rolls. And I'm just going to put about 2 heaping tablespoons of the filling per spring roll. And then I'm just going to moisten the tips and start rolling them closed. It's very easy to do. Just bring in both sides and then roll them, moistening the tips as you go along. So now I have a regular frying pan, and I'm adding some vegetable oil, and I'm going to have it on a medium heat. I'm going to wait till my vegetable oil gets nice and hot, and I'm going to start cooking up my spring rolls. And you're just going to cook them up, fry them until they're nice and golden brown. And that's how easy this is to make. Now, I didn't want to submerge my spring rolls, so when it comes to the edges, just hold them up like this. I'm telling you, these come out so good. They're healthy. There's no meat. So, hey, they're perfect for Lent. They're very, very tasty and just the perfect little snack. So these are my vegetable spring rolls. Thanks for watching.